Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. Is your Lapcare 300 Mbps Wi-Fi extender not working properly? Maybe you forgot the password or want to start fresh? In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Lapcare Wi-Fi extender to factory settings in just a few simple steps. Let's begin. Resetting the Lapcare 300 Mbps Wi-Fi extender is necessary if you're facing connection issues, forgotten passwords, slow speeds, or setup errors. A factory reset restores default settings, allowing you to reconfigure the device from scratch. This helps fix glitches and ensures smooth performance with a fresh setup. For the initial setup, connect your Lapcare 300 Mbps Wi-Fi extender to a power socket located near your main router. This ensures a strong and stable signal connection during the setup process, avoiding any interruptions. Now, locate the reset button on your Lapcare 300 Mbps Wi-Fi extender. This is usually a tiny hole labeled reset, found either on the side or back of the device. To press it, use a paperclip, pin, or similar tool gently. Take a paperclip or a small pin, and gently press and hold the reset button on your Lapcare Wi-Fi extender for 10 to 15 seconds. Once the LED lights begin to blink, it confirms that the reset process has begun successfully. Now, give the extender about 1 to 2 minutes to fully reboot and restore its factory default settings. During this time, the LEDs may blink. Once the lights become stable again, the reset process is complete and your extender is ready. After the reset, the extender's settings are erased. You'll need to set it up again using the WPS method or by accessing the web interface at 192.168.10.1. If you need help, check out our other video on setting up the Lapcare Wi-Fi extender. If you face any issues or require assistance during the setup process, don't hesitate to reach out. Our team of experienced support professionals is always ready to help. For expert guidance and support, call us at 1-323-507-3713 anytime. And that's it. Your Lapcare 300 Mbps Wi-Fi extender is now reset and ready for a fresh setup. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.